What if I told you that looking more attractive has almost nothing to do with your genetics, and everything to do with small, intentional choices you make every single day? The women who seem effortlessly gorgeous aren't born that way. They've mastered the art of enhancement. Today, I'm revealing every single technique that will transform how you look and feel, from the way you style your hair to the confidence you project. This isn't about changing who you are, it's about becoming the most magnetic version of yourself. In 2025, beauty and fashion have shifted to authenticity. Natural beauty, minimal makeup, capsule wardrobes, and affordable style hacks that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enhance your appearance with fashion, grooming, posture, confidence, and the small details that make a massive difference. We'll break down body shape, color theory, capsule dressing, skincare, hair care, minimal makeup, scent, body language, and lifestyle habits. Think of this as your personal roadmap built on self-care and smart, simple actions. Each tiny step, sunscreen, better posture, a mood-boosting outfit, compounds. You have the power to cultivate your attractiveness, and it starts today. Let's dive in. Stand in fitted clothes, measure bust, natural waist and hips. These numbers unlock your body shape. Hourglass. Define the waist. Wrap dresses, belts, high-rise jeans. Avoid boxy silhouettes. Pear, triangle. Draw eyes upward. Boat necks, statement necklaces, structured blazers, darker bottoms, brighter tops, A-line skirts. Apple. Create waist definition, tailored pieces, peplums, V-necks, belts, empire waists, show off great legs. Rectangle. Add curves, belts, peplum details, ruffles, pleated skirts, softer fabrics. Skip overly vertical lines. Inverted triangle. Soften shoulders, deep V, halters, wide legs, pleats, details below the waist. Warm, green veins, gold flatters, cool, blue or purple veins, silver shines, neutral, both work. Warm, olive, burnt orange, burgundy, coral, caramel, off-white. Cool, sapphire, emerald, lavender, navy, crisp white, gray. Neutral, dusty pink, jade, peach, lagoon blue, coffee tones. Right colors brighten skin, make eyes pop, and create a harmonious, polished look. Build a capsule, quality tees, white, black, neutral, blouses, classic sweaters, jeans, trousers, a skirt or two, a little black dress, leather or denim jacket, blazer, winter coat, sneakers, loafers, heeled boots, thong sandals, one statement heel. Accessories elevate, one statement piece per outfit, bold earrings, chunky necklaces, stacked rings, belts to define, tote by day, crossbody to clutch, silk scarves, classic sunglasses, pearls are timeless. 2025 to watch. Modern boho, elevated athleisure, animal prints, hot pants, radiant yellows, aquatic metallics, strapless heart necklines, asymmetric cuts, sleek loafers. Choose one or two that fit your style. Spot quality. Feel natural fibers, cotton, wool, cashmere, silk, linen. Inspect seams, stitches, finished edges, test zippers, check buttons and hardware. Know brands with craftsmanship. Levi's, Patagonia, Everlane, Madewell. Check elbows, underarms, crotch, collars for wear. Stains, pilling. Vintage sizing varies. Try on or bring a tape to match garment measurements to yours. Be patient. Gems appear. Hacks. Layer tops over dresses to make skirts, let a red underlayer peak for elevation, and never keep what you don't love. Return it. Action steps. Audit your wardrobe. Remove unworn, ill-fitting, or unflattering colors. List gaps. Add investment pieces slowly. Thrift with measurements in hand. Skinimalism. Fewer, better products. Morning. Gentle cleanse. Vitamin C, broad spectrum SPF 30+. Daily, no exceptions. Night. Oil cleanser to remove SPF notch makeup, then a gentle cleanser to fully clean without stripping. Add retinol a few nights weekly to boost cell turnover and collagen. Start low, go slow, and always use SPF by day. Hydrate inside and out. Water, hyaluronic serums, rich moisturizers. Exfoliate 2 to 3 times weekly, don't overdo it. Start with cleanser, moisturizer, daily SPF. Add one new product every 2 to 3 weeks. Hair, trims every 6 to 8 weeks. Deep condition weekly with argan or jojoba. sulfate-free shampoo, heat protectant. Embrace natural texture, light face framing layers, natural browns, subtle lowlights. Book a trim this month and invest in one quality hair product. Go lightweight, tinted moisturizer or sheer skin tint to even tone while skin still looks like skin. Use creamy concealer only where needed, under eyes, blemishes, redness, blend seamlessly. Brush brows up, fill sparse spots, set with clear or tinted gel. Sweep soft taupe or brown on lids. Brown mascara for softer definition. Cream blush for a dewy flush. Tap on apples, blend toward temples. Finish with hydrating gloss or tinted balm. 2025. Glossy lips replace mattes. Fluffy natural brows. Glassy glow. Playful French manicures. Even no mascara minimalism. Keep nails neat, neutral polish or buffed shine. Prioritize dental hygiene. Brush twice, floss daily, gentle whitening options. Get brows professionally shaped once, then maintain. Consider whitening toothpaste, occasional baking soda, oil pulling, and crunchy produce like apples and carrots. Small details signal self-care, and that's attractive. Scent is an invisible accessory that communicates confidence, elegance, and warmth. It should be discovered, not announced. Apply to pulse points, wrists, neck, behind ears, inner elbows, behind knees. Spray from 6-8 inches, don't rub. Layering lasts. Matching body wash, lotion on damp skin, then perfume over pulse points. Test on skin and wear all day. Your chemistry matters. Explore citrus, florals, woods, or spicy orientals. Choose what makes you happy. Your signature scent becomes a subtle, unforgettable part of you. Good posture makes you look taller, confident, and approachable. Slouching shrinks your presence. Heels, butt, shoulder blades, back of head to the wall, ears over shoulders, shoulders back and down, gently engage the core. When sitting, feet flat, back supported, elbows near body, switch positions often. Open posture, uncrossed arms, point feet toward people. Make eye contact about 60% of the time. Mirror subtly, lean in, avoid fidgeting, smile genuinely. Build inner confidence, self-awareness, replace negative self-talk, dress for yourself, use positive body language, celebrate small wins. Action. Write 5 things you love about yourself and read them each morning this week. Eat for glow. Omega-3s, salmon, walnuts for shiny hair and supple skin, leafy greens for vitamins, colorful fruits and veggies for antioxidants. Hydrate. About 8 glasses daily. Dull skin and fatigue improve with consistent water. Try lemon, cucumber, mint. Move 20 minutes, 3 to 4 times weekly. Walk, yoga, or dance. Exercise boosts circulation for that post-workout glow. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Sleep regenerates skin cells, supports collagen, reduces inflammation. Poor sleep causes dark circles and dullness. Manage stress, meditation, journaling, nature, hobbies. Chronic stress can trigger acne, hair loss, and skin dullness. Even 10 minutes of breathwork helps. Action. Add 1 hair-boosting food and 1 teeth-whitening food today. Carry a water bottle, and schedule 3 short movement sessions this week. Myth. Expensive means better. Truth. Fit and fabric beat price. A well-fitted thrifted blazer wins over an ill-fitting designer piece. Myth. Makeup hides flaws. Truth. Modern makeup enhances. Light concealer. A touch of blush. Skin should look like skin. Myth. Follow every trend. Truth. Trends are suggestions. Choose what flatters your shape, lifestyle, and taste. Myth. You need a dramatic overhaul. Truth. Attractiveness grows from small, consistent habits. SPF, posture, and one outfit that makes you feel amazing. Progress, not perfection, creates lasting transformation. Looking more attractive in 2025 is about enhancement, not transformation. Dress for your body type. Wear your best colors. Build a capsule wardrobe. Commit to skincare with SPF, vitamin C, retinol. Keep hair healthy. Master minimal makeup. Perfect your posture. Practice open body language. Cultivate authentic confidence. Mind the details. Brows, nails, teeth, fragrance. Pick one small step today. Book that trim, correct posture at a wall. Apply SPF, or remove one item you no longer love. If this guide helped, subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment which tip you'll implement first, capsule wardrobe, skincare, or confidence, and I'll reply with personalized advice. Share this with a friend who needs it. You're not trying to look like anyone else. You're becoming the most radiant, confident version of you. I'll see you next video for capsule wardrobe on a budget and thrift secrets. Stay stylish and stay confident. Enjoyed this? Tap like, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly style upgrades.